Hey girls, it's your girl Tiffany, and I'm back today with a basic twist out tutorial. But the difference with this tutorial is today I'm going to be using Mousse, boo. I'm going to be using Mousse. Now, this is my first time ever using this product, and this is the African Pride. It's from the African Pride Moisture Miracle line. It is the Rose Water and Argan Oil Smooth and Soft Curl Mousse. Okay? Smooth and soft. Alright. So I'm basically going to use everything that I normally would use for my twist out. I do have to moisturize my hair. As you can see, it's looking real raggedy. Okay? I washed my hair. I washed and conditioned my hair the other day. I braided it and life happened. Okay, life happens. I've been putting a scarf on my head. I'm tired of walking around looking like a ragamuffin. So I'm going to start with the back of my hair first. So let's get these braids out the way. And my hair is dry, so let's take this curl out. Let's bring some moisture back to my hair. And so once I get this braid out, I'm going to put I'm going to spray my hair with some water, and I'm going to put some other product in it. So let me just work that in. So everyone has been staying in the house, or at least should have been staying in the house with this virus going around. What have y'all been doing? What have you been doing to keep you busy? Or have y'all been going out still? Let me spray this a little bit more. Okay, so I ran out of leave-in conditioner, so I gotta use this packet, and this is still from the Moisture Miracle line. Got a little bit of Shea in there. Alright, now so I've already put my leave-in in. Now I'm going to use this Alikay Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. And let's put a little bit in. Alright, and then I'm going to take the Shea yogurt from Alikay Naturals too and put it on my ends. Mainly. Okay, so let's take a small section in the back first. And I did about 3 pumps. Just detangle just a little bit, and alright, so let's keep twisting. And I think I'm gonna break this up again. Let's detangle a little bit. This product smells so good. It smells like roses. It really does, no exaggeration. Because if it smelled bad, I would have told you. Trust and believe. And I smelled some stank products. Let me finish this back section here, and then I'll come back and let you see what I do to the front of my hair. So I finally finished twisting my hair. So far so good. I feel good about the products that I put in my hair. My hair does feel moisturized, even though I lost some with my shedding. Well, I lost quite a bit with my shedding. I'll show y'all in a minute. But my hair feels good, real good. So I'm gonna leave my twisting overnight like I normally always do. I don't have anywhere to go, so there's no reason for me to take my hair out. And I'll come back to you tomorrow so you can see what my hair looks like. And let me show you what I lost today with my shedding. I feel like that's quite like a bit, but I knew it was gonna happen. Your hair looks good when you're pregnant. After you have your baby, your hair may fall out. So I'm just thankful that my edges aren't falling out. Y'all come back tomorrow and let y'all see what the finished product looks like. See you then. Alright, so I'm back. And it's been a couple of days, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm back. So let me show you what the twists look like before I take my hair out. So let's go ahead and get some oil. I still have the same thing, the Alikay Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. Let me pull this through my hair, and let's go ahead and start in the back. So this is my finished product. Do I like it? Yes. So my pros would be for the mousse would be the smell. It smells good. I felt like it felt good when I put it in my hair. The only thing is when I use mousse or using mousse, I can tell that my hair isn't as defined. As you can see on this side, it's a whole lot more fluffier, no definition, not too much definition, but I have a lot of definition up here too. And it could be that my ends do need to be trimmed, so I mean that could play a role in it too. But I can say overall I am happy. Would I do it again? Yes, more than likely. Would I use a different mousse? Maybe. But I do like the African Pride Moisture Miracle line. Let me just say that. I do like all the products. I've done twist outs with the curling cream, the leave-in. Most of the time when I do my twist outs, I do put some gel in it. So maybe I should have used a little bit more mousse. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe I'll do a video on how I maintain my twist out for a week, because when I do my twist outs, I normally keep them in for the whole week, and then I'll rewash my hair and condition it at the end of the week. So let me know what you think down below. Let me know any mousses that you've tried before in the past. Maybe I'll try them too. Alright, bye bye.